5 reasons Gen Z is ditching college for trade careers in 2025. Listen up. College debt is hitting different in 2025. We're talking 40 to 60,000, some kids walking out with $100K in debt and a college degree that gets them a job at Starbucks. Meanwhile, my buddy Jake, 22 years old, just bought his first house. Cash down payment. No college degree. No college debt. He's an electrician. You know what's crazy? I've been watching this shift for years. Half a century on this planet. That's 5 decades of seeing what actually works and what's just hype. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Reason number 1, money actually makes sense. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to talk about. College costs are insane, like absolutely bonkers insane. Every college graduate in 2025, they're looking at $37,000 in debt. That's a new car. That's a down payment on a house. But here's where it gets interesting. I've been slinging wrenches and fixing HVAC systems for 3 decades now. Started when I was 21. Yeah, do the math. I'm not hiding my age here. And let me tell you something. The money in the trades, it's real money. HVAC techs are pulling in $45K to $75K plus a year. Experienced guys, 6 figures, easy. Plumbers, same deal. Electricians, don't even get me started. Some of these guys are making more than doctors. And contractors, man, if you go the contractors route like I did after 15 years of working for someone else, you're looking at $180K to $400K plus. No joke. I know a plumber who made $300K last year. A plumber. Meanwhile, my neighbor's kid graduated with a communications degree, and he's making $35K answering phones. The math ain't mathin', people. Reason number 2, you're actually building something real. You know what I love about these trades? You fix things. You build things. You create stuff that matters. When someone's AC breaks in July in Phoenix at 115 degrees, they don't call a marketing major. They call me. And that feeling when you fix something that is broken, when you install a system that's going to keep a family comfortable for the next 20 years, that hits different than pushing papers around an office. Hey everyone, if you're having some trouble deciding what trade career to choose, check out CourseCareers. Talk to Coura. This is CourseCareer's new AI career counselor. Coura will help you figure out if electrical work fits your goals, and then you can start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like and how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in the description and pinned in my comments below for you to check out. Look, I've spent the better part of 3 decades. Yeah, I started young in HVAC, and every single day I see the impact. Hospitals need climate control. Schools need heating. Your grandma needs her house to be 72 degrees or she's going to complain. These aren't just jobs, they're essential jobs. When the world shuts down in 2020, guess who kept working? Us, trade workers, essential workers. Reason number 3, no student loan prison. Student loans are basically financial prison. You sign up at 18. You don't know anything about money at 18. And they hand you this massive debt that follows you for decades. Can't discharge it in bankruptcy. Can't escape it. It's like a financial ankle monitor. Trade school? Community college programs, we're talking $5,000 to $15,000 total, not per year, total. Most apprenticeship programs, they pay you while you learn. Let me say that again. They pay you while you learn. I've been around for 5 decades and I've never seen a college program that pays students to attend, ever. My nephew went through an electrical apprenticeship, started at $15 an hour as his first year apprentice. By year 4, he was making $38 an hour and had 0 debt. His buddy went to college for business administration. 4 years later, $60,000 in debt. Can't find a job in his field. Working at Best Buy. The system is broken, people. Reason number 4, job security that's actually secure. Here's what they don't tell you about job security. Your marketing job can be done by AI. Your data entry job, already being done by AI. Your customer service job, chatbot city. But you know what can't be replaced by a robot? Fixing Miss Johnson's leaky pipe at 2 a.m., installing a furnace in a crawl space, rewiring a house built in 1952. I've been an HVAC contractor for 15 years, and let me tell you something. The demand has only gotten stronger. Every new building needs electrical. Every new house needs plumbing. Every office needs climate control. And here's the kicker. We're getting old. The average age of skilled trades workers is climbing. Baby boomers are retiring left and right. There's going to be a massive shortage of skilled workers in the next decade. Supply and demand, baby. When demand goes up, supplies go down. Wages go up. Basic economics. Plus trade work is local work. Can't be outsourced. Can't outsource fixing a toilet in Cleveland to someone in Mumbai. Doesn't work that way.
Hi, quick break here. If you'd like to take a free course in CourseCareers, click the link below in the description.
Reason number 5, you actually have a life. This might be the most important point. Work-life balance in trades, it's real. When I clock out at 5 p.m., I'm done. No emails at midnight. No urgent Slack messages during dinner. No weekend conference calls. My tools stay in the truck. My work stays at work. I've been around for half a century. I've seen what corporate life does to people. The stress, the politics, the constant hustle, just climbing some imaginary ladder. You know what I do on weekends? I golf. I spend time with my family. I work on my own house. I live my life. And the flexibility? Man, as a contractor, if I want to take Tuesday off, I take Tuesday off. Want to start work at 10 a.m. instead of 8 a.m.? That's my choice. You own your own schedule. You own your own business. You own your own life. The college to corporate pipeline, it's designed to trap you, keep you dependent on someone else's approval for your paycheck. Trades, you learn a skill that's yours forever. Nobody can take that away from you. Now look, I'm not going to lie to you. Trade work isn't for everyone. It's physical work. You're going to sweat. You're going to get dirty. Sometimes you're going to crawl under a house or in an attic that feels like Satan's armpit. Your hands are going to get rough. Your back might ache some days. But you know what? I'd rather have sore muscles from honest work than a sore soul for meaningless corporate BS. And the skills you learn, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction, these are life skills. Your water heater breaks, you can fix it. Your car needs work, you understand it. Want to build a deck? You know how. After 29 years in this industry, and trust me, those years went by fast, I've never regretted choosing this path. I've built a business. I've supported my family. I've helped thousands of people stay comfortable in their homes. And I sleep good at night, knowing my work matters. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was $80K in debt with a psychology degree, couldn't find work, depressed, stuck, decided to try electrical work. Today, she owns her own electrical company, employs 12 people, makes more in a month than she did in a year with her degree. Or Marcus, started as a plumber apprentice at 19. Everyone told him he was wasting his potential. By 30, he owned 3 plumbing trucks and a house with no mortgage. These aren't rare stories, people. This is happening every single day. The opportunities are massive right now. Green energy, solar panel installation is booming. Smart homes, electrical HVAC work is evolving. Infrastructure rebuilding, we need skilled workers everywhere. And the best part, these careers have purpose. When the power goes out, we restore it. When the pipes burst, we fix them. When the building needs to be built, we build them. We keep civilization running. That's not just a job, that's a calling. All right, so how do you actually get into these trades? First option, apprenticeships. Apply with local unions, contractors, or companies. They'll train you and pay you. It's like college, but they pay you instead of you paying them. Second option, trade school or community college, or online with CourseCareers. Click on the link on the description or pinned in the comments below for CourseCareers. Short programs, 6 months to 2 years max. Learn the basics, get some certifications, then jump into the workforce. Third option, start as a helper. Find a contractor who needs help. Learn the job, work your way up. For HVAC specifically, which has been my bread and butter for the past 3 decades, man, time flies when you're fixing things. You need basic math skills, high school level stuff. You need problem solving skills. You need to not be afraid of getting dirty. Certifications, EPA certification for handling refrigerant. That's like $200 in a weekend course. Within a year, you can be making $40K plus. With 5 years, $60K to $80K plus, easy. Go the contractor like I did, sky's the limit. Look, I've been around the block, 5 decades of life experience, 3 decades in the trades, 15 years running my own HVAC business. I've seen economic crashes, recessions, pandemics, and through it all, skilled trade workers keep working. People always need their lights on, their water running, their house is comfortable. Gen Z gets it. They're not buying into the college scam. They're looking for real opportunities, real money, real skills. And the trade community, we're ready for them. We need them. So if you're 18, 25, 35, hell, if you're 45 and looking for a career, change is not too late. These opportunities aren't going anywhere. In fact, they're only getting better. College sold us a dream that turned into a nightmare. Trades offer something better, a reality that actually works. If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And here's a joke for the road. A plumber gets a call to fix a leak at a lawyer's office. After an hour, he hands the lawyer a bill for $400. The lawyer goes, $400? I'm a lawyer and I don't even make that much per hour. The plumber says, yeah, I know. I used to be a lawyer too. That's why I became a plumber. Peace out.